Okay, hey all, here's a quick video on how to check the ink levels on your Canon Pixma printer. I've got the MG5750, but many of the models are similar. So when you've turned it on, press the down arrow here and down again. And this I always found confusing. Then you want to press here. I'd often try and press the right arrow. Then, maybe I should come over, press the right arrow on here, and go to estimated ink levels. Okay, and there you see it. Now if I press back, just to note as well, there's quite a few useful things here as well. You've got the maintenance option, so if I OK in there, oops, then you can do your head cleaning as well. All right, and if you do want to just change the ink, you can just literally lift that up and it will play ball that way. Right, check out this video for more here, and thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful. Bye.